If you've ever tried to organize, move, or download all your photos in OneDrive, you've probably noticed that Select All isn't as simple as just hitting a button, especially as of 2025. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to select all your photos in OneDrive, whether you're using the web platform or working with folders in My Files. By the end, you'll know the best methods for your device, avoiding endless clicking and making photo management so much easier. Let's dive right in. First, let's look at the OneDrive website. This method is for when you're using a web browser. If you head to the Photos tab, you might expect the usual Control plus a trick or a big Select All button, but as of now, those don't work right here. So instead, here's what you can do. The first method is the Shift plus Click trick. Begin by finding the first photo you want to select. You'll notice a little circle in the top right corner of each photo. Go ahead and click that to select your starting photo. Now, don't worry if you have hundreds or even thousands of photos. This method scales. Scroll all the way down to the last photo in your collection. If you have a lot, this part might take a few moments as more photos load on the page. Once you reach the end, hold down the Shift key, and while holding it, click the last photo selection circle. What you've just done is tell OneDrive to select everything in between, so whether it's 10 photos or a whole year's worth, they're all highlighted and ready for your next move. It's a bit like highlighting multiple paragraphs in a Word document. Just a click at the start, and a shift click at the finish draws a line through everything you want to work with. Now there's another smart method, especially handy if your photos are sorted by date, which is how the Photos tab usually displays them. This one is all about date selection. First, you'll want to ensure the display setting is set to inline. You can find this option usually in the upper right or in the settings menu. Switch to inline so you see all your photos grouped under date headers like Dec 15 or July 2022. When you hover your mouse over a date header, notice that a checkbox appears. Click this checkbox and every photo from that specific day gets swept up in your selection. This is perfect for handling events or holidays where you might want all the shots from a particular day without manually picking them one by one. But what if you want true select all power? Maybe you need to select literally everything in one folder or every photo you've ever uploaded. For that, jump over to the My Files section. This is more like a traditional file explorer. Navigate into the folder where your photos are stored. Here, the trick: now you can use keyboard shortcuts. Press Ctrl plus A on Windows or CMD plus A on a Mac, and instantly every photo and file in that folder is highlighted. If keyboard shortcuts aren't comfortable for you, there's also a master checkbox at the very top of the file list. Clicking that will select absolutely everything visible. Just a quick note: if you're using a phone or the OneDrive mobile app, these desktop shortcuts don't work. You may need to manually tap each photo or use the multi-select mode, but there's still no universal select all yet. So whether you're sorting by date for a quick pick, shift-clicking your way through the gallery, or going full Ctrl plus A in My Files, you can select all your OneDrive photos without any tedious repetitive clicks. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or run into a weird OneDrive situation. I'm here to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.